Spending hours every month tracking expenses in spreadsheets? Manual budgeting is costing you time, money, and sanity. AI-powered tools now automate everything with 95% accuracy. Here are the 5 best AI finance tools of 2025. Number 5. Pocket Guard. Shows exactly how much you can safely spend and automatically cancels unused subscriptions. Free to start, premium at $7.99 per month. Number 4. Tiller. For spreadsheet lovers who hate manual updates. Automatically feeds bank data into your favorite spreadsheets with AI-powered fraud detection. $79 per year. Number 3. Keeper Tax. Perfect for freelancers missing thousands in deductions. Scans receipts for 500+ deductible expenses and predicts your tax bill. $17 per month. Number 2. Copilot. The smartest choice for investors and high earners. Track stocks, crypto, and real estate in one dashboard with AI spending coaching and smart investment alerts. $13 per month, iOS only. And number 1, Monarch Money. The ultimate all-in-one AI money manager. Syncs 20,000+ banks, predicts cash flow issues, and includes collaborative budgeting for couples. $14.99 per month with free trial. These tools can save you 10+ hours monthly and catch financial risks early. Start with Monarch Money for beginners or Copilot for investors. Links in description.